guys, for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some bathroom decor and organization. If you guys didn't catch my last video, I will link it down below. But in that video, I went ahead and changed all of my countertops as well as switched out my hardware. So I did like an extreme bathroom makeover, which will show you most of the stuff that is already pre-done from today's video. So definitely check that out if you haven't seen it already. I love the way that my bathroom turned out, but I didn't really have time to share with you guys the full organization and decor that I decided to do for my bathroom in that video, so we're doing that today. So this is pretty much the bathroom and what it looked like and what we are starting out with. As you can see, the countertops and the different hardware, just by switching that out, made such a huge difference. But I definitely think the bathroom needs some decoration because it is a little bit on the unfinished side. So the first thing that we're actually switching out today is the shower curtain. If you guys remember my last shower curtain, it was beautiful. I'm gonna put a clip in it a little bit later so you guys can remember what it looked like. But unfortunately, I did spill fabric dye on that shower curtain and I could not save it. Here it is. It was beautiful. So I did go ahead and pick up another one from Amazon. I found this little diver one and I just thought it was so cool. It came up when I searched black and white shower curtains. So I'll definitely have it linked down below because I actually think I like this one a little bit more. So my mistake ended up turning out to be a good one. The next thing that I added is a little rug for when you step out of the shower. This is one of those like super soft plush rugs, but it is a more affordable option from Amazon. I love going to Amazon to find cheaper versions of things. So this one definitely isn't going to break the bank like the usual one does. And then above the toilet, there definitely needed to be some sort of art or decor piece. And what I opted to do was use something that I already had. I love that the bathroom is very black, white, and modern, but I definitely think it needs some texture and boho like hints just to make it feel a little bit more warm and cozy and inviting. So I added in this gorgeous macrame piece. I will link one similar down below if I can find one, but I did get this one like custom made. They're like made to order whenever you get them. So I'll put the girls' information down below because I love handmade pieces. The next thing that I did was add something a little bit different to put the towels in. And I actually took you guys' suggestions. So a lot of you guys suggested that I actually roll up the towels and it would look a lot better. And yeah, seriously, you guys were so right. So I went ahead and rolled them up and then, like I said, placed them in this new bowl that I went ahead and picked up from Target. So I really love that piece. Again, unique, tying in with all the different textures. So that is that for the towels for when my guests come over. I definitely think that adds such a nice little touch to already have the hand towels out for when people come over. The next thing that I added is this really fun boho inspired rug. Also from Amazon. I just love the like fringe detailing on it. It's woven, it's black and white, but again, it's not super modern. So it just kind of makes everything tie in together so nicely in this bathroom. I really like just how everything is starting to look very put together because in the last video, like I mentioned, didn't really have time to like go fully into the decorating, but now everything is making a lot more sense in here. Now moving on to the organization. So for me, this is kind of how I have my makeup currently organized. It's a little bit of an eyesore because I actually keep this on my counter in the corner just like this every single day, and the makeup bag is not only dirty, but it's just not really aesthetically pleasing to have that in the corner. So I wanted to opt for some sort of makeup storage, and I don't have much makeup. So I went on the hunt for something that looked good and wasn't super huge because again, I'm not looking for a ton of storage space, but these little acrylic organization storage cubes are awesome. You can buy as many as you need and just stack them on top of each other. You can even stack them side by side. So if you needed like 50 of these, you can stack them all together, which is super cool. So I only got 2 of them. They're pretty like medium size, I would say. The drawers pull in and out quite easily, and I think they're good quality, especially for the price. So I just put those in the corner. And then what I started to do was just kind of sanitize my makeup. I like to do that every few months just to make sure it's nice and clean, especially before you put it into these clear acrylic drawers. Because that's the only drawback to using storage like this is it will get dirty, but you can easily clean it. But I would recommend definitely cleaning off your makeup before you put it in here in the beginning, because if you put like used dirty makeup, you're just gonna ruin it right off the bat. Then on top of my makeup, I have my PMD Clear Pro RQ, and a huge thank you to them for sponsoring today's video. This is a smart facial cleansing device, and it has seriously changed my life. It has sonic glow technology, which is awesome. It breaks down dirt and oil in your pores with 7,000 vibrations per minute, and the bristles are antibacterial silicone, so they will never wear out. And on the other side is my favorite part, it's the rose quartz crystal. This has active warmth technology, which makes the crystal heat up. It makes your serum and lotion absorb into deeper layers of your skin. After using this, my skin feels so clean and hydrated. It is absolutely amazing. It feels like I've had a spa day just by using it. The warmth technology is also really soothing and relaxing to me. So if you want to get one of these for yourself, make sure you click the link in the bio and use my code Nastazsa20 for 20% off of your PMD Clear Pro RQ. Next, I wanted to add some sort of scent to the bathroom, and this is a candle I've been loving. I talked about it in one of my other videos. It is from HomeGoods. It smells like Abercrombie to me, and it's only $5.99. I did a little bit more research, and they are $18 on the website, which sounds like a lot, but honestly, this thing smells so good that I would pay the full $18 if I couldn't find this at HomeGoods again. That is how much I love this candle, and it's soy, so it's super awesome, and it burns a little bit better. I just love having some sort of scent in the bathroom. I especially like to burn this when I'm taking a bath, so highly would recommend picking that up. If you can find it at HomeGoods, you are lucky. For my wall sconce, I actually opted to remove the glass globe that was on it. I felt like that made it look a lot more modern, and I definitely really wanted the more industrial vibe look, so I just simply removed it, and I absolutely love the outcome of that new little wall sconce. For more organization, and I get a lot of questions on what I do for under sink storage, I love these little under sink drawers from Amazon. They are phenomenal, and they have a lot of room on them. I'm turning this to the side just so you can see how much space is in here. So I have 2 of those, and that actually fits everything that I own. I try my best to not keep too much stuff in my bathroom and only use products that I truly love, so I don't have a ton of clutter in my bathroom anymore, but if you're looking for some storage, would highly recommend those. Lastly, I definitely wanted to put something above my towels. I felt like that was such a blank space, and I felt like this Urban Outfitters moon banner would be perfect for it. I've used one of these in a makeover before, but I definitely wanted one for myself. So I went ahead and unwrapped it. I love that this is packaged so nicely because it is a very good quality piece, but it is also very delicate. So definitely be careful with it. But I just went ahead and hung that up with 2 clear tacks in my bathroom. And basically the look and vibe that I was going for was having something reflect in the back of the mirror, as you can see here. I love it. I just love that little design element that you can add to the bathroom. So it's above the same towels from my last little video that you guys saw, and I just think that that ties in so nicely. I love that it's already a mix of metals, so it goes well with everything in my bathroom already. I believe they have this in silver as well, and if they do, I'll link it down below for you guys to check out. One of my favorite things that I added in the last makeover is this glass jug, but I felt like it needed a little something. So I went ahead and added in this faux leaf plant. These are super affordable at Target. They're $4.99, and they can spice up any little jar like that. So I would highly recommend picking one of those up if you haven't seen them already. But that is going to complete today's little makeover / organization on the bathroom. Again, I cannot stress enough, if you guys didn't see the first video where I put in the marble and all of the hardware, you guys definitely need to check that out. So it is, of course, linked down below. But I hope this video was able to give you guys some inspiration for your bathroom and just help you find ways to spice up your bathroom, even if you're in a rental, because keep in mind, this is a bathroom that is in a rental. So you have to find clever ways sometimes to decorate without making too many major changes, because definitely always check your rental agreement and see what you can and cannot change. But I definitely love the way that this bathroom turned out. Again, everything is super budget friendly. I will have absolutely everything that I talked about in today's video linked in the description box down below. And again, a huge thank you to PMD Clear Pro RQ for sponsoring today's video. Definitely pick one up for yourself if you haven't already. Check the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!